Hello children, today we'll be doing lesson number 4, module 4. In this I'll be telling you about the expansion in solids. Because we know when we apply the heat, the molecules start moving apart from each other. And because in the solids the molecules are tightly packed, so they just vibrate. So there are some of the examples related to expansion in solids. I'll be sharing in the PDF. Along with that, I'll be showing one video. In that, you'll be able to understand very nicely about the examples. 4. In the previous module 3, I have explained that what are the effects of heat. So heat causes change in state, change in dimension. So on the basis of the dimension, we'll be doing how it causes the thermal expansion in solid, liquid and gases. As we all know, solid, the molecules are very, very tightly packed. So if we give so much of heat also, then also it will not move so far apart as in compared to gases, because in the liquids compared to solid, molecules are a little bit far away from that, and in the gases the molecules are very, very far away from each other. So that's why the maximum thermal expansion takes place in the gases, then in liquids and then in solid. What I want to say कि किसी भी solid चीज़ को अगर हम कितनी भी heat दे देंगे तो वो पानी की तरह तो मेल्ट होके बिखरने नहीं लग जाएगा. Okay, yes, it will little bit start melting, it will expand, the molecules will start moving very, very fast on their own place only, and little bit they will expand. पर लिक्विड्स में क्योंकि मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑलरेडी थोड़े दूर होते हैं, तो वो अगर हम उनको गर्म करते हैं तो वो और मूव करने लग जाते हैं. इन द सेम वे गैसेस, आपने देखा होगा जब हवा चलती ठंडी तो हमें अच्छी लगती है, पर गर्म हवा होती है क्योंकि मॉलिक्यूल्स दूर होते हैं तो मॉलिक्यूल जल्दी मूव करने लग जाते हैं गर्म हवा की वजह से, और वो हमको ज़्यादा इफेक्ट करते हैं. So what I want to say, because of the movement of the molecules only, it causes thermal expansion. So we have discussed in the previous module that increase in the size of the object is called thermal expansion. So today we will be doing separately about the expansion in solid, liquid and gases. So in this module I am doing the expansion only in the case of solid. So you'll be feeling very interesting because there are many good examples also. You'll really feel कि yes ऐसा भी होता है. Okay, so first expansion in solids. Particles in solids are very tightly packed, we know, because the molecules are very, very tight. They have a fixed shape and size. They cannot move, they just move in their own places. That means they just vibrate. But when they're heated, they get the energy and the particles start moving away from each other, and this causes the expansion in the solids. So there are some of the applications, some of the uses, some of the harms of the expansion. So first, metal expands on heating. You know, you will be wondering कि metal भी इतना melt हो जाता है कि वो expand हो जाता है. तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि बिल्कुल melt हो के पानी की तरह flow होने लग जाता है. Like you see, the one example I am giving you. In the railway tracks, there is a gap in the railway track. You can see I have shown in this diagram. Between the railway track there is a gap. Okay, so why there is a gap in this? Why they are not very close to each other? Because due to heat of the sun. अब ये तो सारा टाइम बाहर ही रहते हैं. रेलवे ट्रैक्स को हम इसको शेड तो देते नहीं हैं. But due to heat of the sun, the metal expands. Okay, so that's why already the gap is given, जिससे कि accidents avoid हो जाए, क्योंकि winters में वो contract हो जाते हैं और summers में वो expand हो जाते हैं. Okay, so this is very important. So first application of this is metal expands on heating. That means that's why we keep the gaps are left in the railway tracks where two sections are joined. So you can see in this diagram between the two sections there is a gap. Okay, if this is not done, what will happen? That tracks can cause them to bend. It can overlap each other. It will come near to each them, and it can cause many serious accidents. Okay. Secondly, आपने देखा होगा घर की रस्सी में भी, दिस एग्जाम्पल आई एम गिविंग यू. बस बिफोर दैट, घर में जो मम्मा रस्सी टाई करती है विद नायलन रोप इज देयर, यू सी समर्स में वो बिल्कुल लूज हो जाती है, विंटर्स में वो इतनी टाइट हो जाती है. Same as in this case of cables wires, in the summer they become loose and winter they become tight. So already इसको इतना स्पेस करके छोड़ते हैं, इतना टाइट नहीं बांधते हैं, क्योंकि समर्स में वो लूज होती है. अगर टाइट करेंगे तो विंटर्स में जब वो टाइट होती है तो वो क्या हो सकती है, टूट हो सकती है. That's why in summer electric cables between the poles expand and sag मतलब लूज हो जाती है. In winters, they become tight due to contraction. So cables are already left loose, otherwise they might break in winters. क्योंकि अगर हम उसको लूज नहीं छोड़ेंगे तो जब विंटर्स में वो टाइट होगी तो वो टूट जाएगी और सारी केबल्स, दैट मीन्स इलेक्ट्रिक पोल्स में जो तार लगी होती हैं वो थोड़ी थोड़ी लूज होती हैं. यू कैन सी दिस, you must have seen in many of the poles like this how the wires are not so tight, they are a little bit loose. Why? Because of the result in winters, because winters में जब वो contract होएगी तो वो टूट सकती हैं. So this is because of the expansion and now wire is a solid only. Okay, so ये मतलब नहीं कि बिल्कुल flow हो रही है. That means the molecules in them, they start moving very little bit slowly compared to the tightly what they were packed. Okay, so in summer the electric cables between the poles expand and sag, that's why already they are left loose. Third example, when very hot liquid is poured in a glass tumbler, you see by mistake in summer, in winters mostly, in winters the temperature is low. जब मम्मा कभी चाय में ग्लास में चाय डालती हैं तो कभी कभी वो अपने आप ही ग्लास टूट जाता है. वो इंटेंशन नहीं होती तोड़ने की, पर टूट जाता है. वाई? बिकॉज ऑफ द hot tea being poured inside the cold temperature. So they are not able to adjust, and because of that they break, because hot molecules, they move far away from each other very fast, that it causes the crack in the glass. Okay, so when very hot liquid is poured in a glass tumbler, the tumbler means any of the glass you take, any of the container, we say tumbler, the tumbler sometimes crack. This is because the hot liquid expands the inner surface of the glass tumbler. क्योंकि अंदर जो सरफेस है वो तो ऑलरेडी कोल्ड है, पर आप क्या डाल रहे हो उसमें गर्म चाय या गर्म पानी. ओके, सो द आउटर सरफेस ऑफ टम्बलर डजंट एक्सपैंड मच, और वो क्या होता है, क्रैक हो जाता है. क्योंकि हमने अंदर ठंडा पानी में, ठंडे कंटेनर में हमने गर्म चाय डाल दी तो वो बाहर हीट नहीं जा पाती है इतनी जल्दी से, और वो क्या हो जाता है, क्रैक ग्लास क्रैक हो जाता है. आपने देखा होगा हम दिस कभी कभी यू सी, this is the below which is the diagram, this is the diagram of the cycle rim or any of the this like bullock carts and all that. you गर्म करके इसको expand हो जाता है और उसको हम फिट कर देते हैं, फिट करके हम ठंडे पानी में डाल देते हैं या ठंडा होने के लिए रख देते हैं, तो उससे क्या होता है, वो बिल्कुल उसमें फिट हो जाता है और वो निकलता नहीं है जल्दी से. Okay, so this example we did in class 6 also. So an iron rim is heated before being fitted on the tires. आयरन रिम को गर्म करते हैं जान के, गर्म करने से क्या होता है, वो एक्सपैंड हो जाता है और फिर उसके अंदर टायर को फिट कर देते हैं, और ठंडा होने से क्या होता है, वो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होता है और वो टायर बिल्कुल फिट हो जाता है. सो द रिजल्टिंग एक्सपेंशन इनेबल्स द रिम टू बी स्लिप्ड एंड ईजिली ओवर द व्हील एंड द रिम डज नॉट कम आउट फ्रॉम द व्हील. Okay, so you must have seen this examples many places. One more example, you keep on looking in their house. See, when it is bottle is closed tightly, it cannot be opened by putting hot water on the cap. Okay, if it's not, we are not able to open the hot water bottle, so what we do, we put hot water on the cap, and because hot water के molecules move करते हैं और कैप आराम से खुल जाता है. सर कई बार दो ग्लास एक साथ फिट हो जाते हैं, अब उस ग्लास के बीच में गर्म पानी डाल दो तो वो ग्लास क्या होगा, ओवरलैप आराम से हो जाएंगे बिकॉज मूवमेंट ऑफ द मॉलिक्यूल्स. Okay, I'll be doing activity also to show you that how the metals expand and contract. You can also do this activity. Before I do it, what you can do, दो बॉटल लो, ओके, या एक बॉटल लो और एक कंटेनर में गर्म पानी रखो और एक कंटेनर में बिल्कुल आइस चिल्ड वाटर. अब आप घर पे हैं, आराम से आपको पानी मिल सकता है. एक बॉटल के ऊपर बैलून को फिट कर दो, ओके, उसकी कैप पर बैलून को लगा दो. गर्म पानी में डालेंगे तो बैलून क्या हो जाएगा, ब्लो हो जाएगा, ओके, और हम ठंडा पानी में डालेंगे तो बैलून क्या हो जाएगा, अपने आप ही कॉन्ट्रैक्ट हो जाएगा. So this shows that the hot water helps to expand the molecules, and when it is cold it contracts. So I hope you understand the applications of solid that metal expand on heating, and we are given the examples like of the iron tracks. There's a gap in the iron track. In the cable wires they sag because of the expansion of the metals, and in the winters they contract, and in the hot liquid is poured in the glass tumbler because of the cold surface inside it cracks, and the iron rim is heated before being fitted on the tire. The resulting expansion enables the rim to be slipped over each other, and when we want to open the bottle of any of the cap of the bottle which is not able to open, you just put a hot water, keep it for some time, and you'll be able to open it easily. I hope you understand and you will enjoy these examples if you try to do at your home. Okay, activity also will be doing and I'll be sharing with you. Please read and write it carefully. Thank you.
Expansion and contraction of a substance has quite practical applications. All of you must have seen that there is a gap left between the joints of railway tracks. Why is it so? In summer, the expansion of railway tracks occurs due to heat. Besides this, when a train runs over these tracks, they become hot due to friction. Hence, the volume of the railway tracks increases. The length of the railway track increases due to the increase in its volume. As a result, the gap is filled. If such gaps are not left, then the railway tracks bend and there is a risk of an accident. That is why a gap is left at the joints in railway tracks. You might have seen the wheels of a cart. An iron rim is fixed around the wheels of a cart. A blacksmith uses the phenomenon of expansion of solid substances while fixing the iron rim on the wheels of a cart. The diameter of the iron rim is made slightly lesser than that of the wheel. Then, this rim is heated to a high temperature, and the volume of the rim increases and its diameter also increases. Thereafter, the iron rim is fixed onto the wheel. As the rim is fixed on the wheel, cold water is poured over it. The rim loses heat and contracts, so it is fixed tightly on the wheel. That is why the iron rim is heated to a very high temperature while fixing it onto the wheel. During summer, loops are formed in electric wires. Do you know why? Electric wires are made up of copper or aluminium. During summer, because of extreme heat, this wire expands, and as a result, the length of the wire increases and loops are formed.